Morning, children. So here we are with our next video about division word problems. Okay. Now I will not be taking up the word problems that are there already in the textbook, but I will be taking some related word problems that are there in the textbook just as to explain you that when exactly we are supposed to do division and exactly why do we need division in those sort of word problems. Basically, you will be reading the word questions and you will be comprehending, we will be comprehending that why exactly the division is required here. And then the exercise that is 4.5 that is given there in your textbook, you are going to try to solve on your own because I'm picking up the questions somewhere near what similar to those questions. Okay, let's move ahead and see this. So using division in our word problems. The first question is given: if John puts 30 pencils in 5 boxes equally, then how many pencils will be there in each box? Now, if you remember, if you can right away open your textbook, exercise 4.5 and see the word problems based on division, there is exactly the similar type of question that says that there are 119 balls in 7 boxes. How many balls are there in each box? Same question, but with smaller number. The contention is to explain you why and when and where the division is required. Okay. So this question says that there are 30 pencils in 5 boxes. Together, there are 5 boxes. सबके अंदर पेंसिल्स हैं और जब हमने वो पेंसिल्स को साथ में काउंट किया तो हमें 30 pencils count हुई. But the question says if John puts 30 pencils in 5 boxes equally, मतलब हर बॉक्स में same number of pencils है. How many pencils will be there in each box? Okay, now 30 pencils, 5 boxes, and the main important term that I have with me is equally. Okay, that means if I pick up 5 boxes like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. John is putting one pencil, another pencil here, the 4th pencil here, and the 5th pencil here. Okay. Again, he reverses the process. He puts this pencil here. He puts this pencil here, sorry. This pencil here, this pencil here, and this pencil. Okay, and the process goes on. So every time he picks up 5 pencils and put 1, 1, 1, 1. Another set of 5 pencils, 1, 1, 1. Why 5 only? Because there are 5 boxes. So we are doing repetitive addition from that 30. Every time I'm removing 5 pencils from that 30 and putting it in each box. How many times I'm going to do that, or basically in each box, how many pencils I am going to put. I have got two numbers with me, that is 30 and 5. Obviously, the operation that will take place between the two is repeated subtraction, and the easier one is division. Let's see how. So 30 divided by 5, which is going to give me.
Go into the number 30. Think.
5 into what gives me 30? 5 into 6 gives me 30 if you look at the table, right? So if I do the division of 30 by 5, I see that the perfect division without any remaining pencil or without any remaining division, any remainder, I get 6 as the answer. If you look at the division here, 30 divided by 5 and follow our 5 steps procedure, you get the quotient and 6 and no pencil will be left out. That is 0 pencil will be the remainder. And we put 6 pencils in each box. So John is going to put 6 pencils in each box. There will be 6 pencils in each box. Yes, correct. Now you can refer to your question. I'm sorry. So you see that we are going to put 6 pencils in each box. I'm sorry. But let's bring a little twist in the question. 32 pencils in 5 boxes equally. How many pencils will be left? If I want to distribute 32 pencils in 5 boxes equally, how many pencils will be left? Okay, so same procedure will be followed. 32 divided by 5, and I see that 30 multiplied by 6 gives me 30. That is the nearest, because if I take 5 into 7, that gives me 35, right? So I cannot pick up that. And when I do the subtraction, 2 is remainder. So, okay, every box will get 6 pencils, but 2 pencils poorly will be left out. No choice. 2 pencils will be left out. So, sometimes the questions can change. Okay. Like the question here is, Ivy distributes 12 stickers in 3 groups. Now, there is not much here. If you realize there is not much here, 3 ग्रुप्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है तो 1 group, 2 group and 3rd group. But the point is you have to show it in form of word problems. So you have to actually show the division that 12 stickers are to be distributed in 3 groups, and thus every group is going to have 4 stickers. Correct. That is how it's going to work. Let's see whether it does or no. So Ivy distributes 12 stickers in 3 groups. How many stickers will be there in each group? Okay. So 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 3. And 3 into 4 is 12. And when I do the division, I see that I'm left out with the remainder as 0. And thus 4 stickers in each group. Let's see something more ahead. Fine. Ivy has 20 apples. She wants to put 5 apples in each basket, or rather one basket. How many baskets does she need? See how the questions are changing. पहले आपको बोला गया कि 30 पेंसिल्स है, 5 बॉक्सेस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. फिर आपको बोला गया 32 pencils है, 5 boxes में distribute करना है. So how many will be left? How the questions are being put up variably. उसके बाद में 12 स्टिकर्स है उनको 3 ग्रुप्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, 3 ग्रुप्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. Then I have got 20 apples now in each basket. This time in each basket you know how many apples she's going to have. So how many baskets are going to reverse? पहले आपको 5 बॉक्सेस बता दिया था और ईच बॉक्स में कितनी पेंसिल्स रहेंगी. अब उल्टा कर दिया, ईच बास्केट में 5 एप्पल्स रहेंगे तो कितने बास्केट्स रहेंगे. I hope you all are getting this. Ivy has 20 apples. She wants to put 5 apples in one basket. How many baskets does she need? Change in question, but that does not mean the arithmetic operation will change. The arithmetic operation is going to remain the same. आप एप्पल्स को 5 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर लेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा इतने. Hold on, my battery is going down. Just please wait for a moment, children. ओके, 5 ग्रुप्स में अगर हमने एप्पल्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि हाउ मेनी बास्केट्स वी नीड. दिस इज अ फिजिकल, बट you know you have been taught how to do arithmetic operations. So physically, and here the numbers are smaller, तो ठीक है मैंने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. So here the number is very small, that is 20. So it was very convenient for me to just pick up my annotation and distribute into 5. But 200 दे दिया आपको, 220 दे दिया, 300 दे दिया, तो आप क्या पेंसिल से लेके सर्कल करते रहोगे? No, that is not possible. So that's why the division process is to be learned. Of course, yes, right now we are teaching you in a very small numbers and in an easier way, but then that is what we are supposed to do. So 20 apples divided by 5. How are we going to do that distribution? 20 apples to be distributed in 5. 20 divided by 5. Let's see the division. Yes, 5 into 4 is equals to 20 if you look at the table also. So fine, I get 4. I put 5 apples in each basket. That means I'm going to need 4 baskets. 5 apples in each basket. That means I'm going to need 4 baskets. John has 20 colored marker pens. He wants to put 8 markers in one box. How many boxes does he need? Simple. Just as perfect as the previous question. Right? So here also the same thing. Just stop, take a pause my video. 40 divided by 8 will give me how many number of boxes? Please do the division. Pause the video. I have paused the video, the screen here, and please let me know how many number of boxes John is going to need to distribute 40 colored markers into. He wants to put them in each 8 marker in each box. So let's see. Yeah, I am going to show it to you through annotation, but till then you can try. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तब तक आप अपना डिविजन कीजिए. 8 and 8. John, my friend, is going to need 5 such wonderful boxes to put the colored pencils in that and accumulate 8 pencils in each box. Yes, 8 into 5 is equals to 40. Let's see the division and see. So he's going to need 5 boxes. So I hope this is very clear to you all. Now, इसी तरह के problems are given in your questions. We are either doing repeated division or, oh sorry, either we do repeated division or we do the distribution or what we call it as division. 16 minus 4, 12 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 4 minus 4 until I get a remainder which is either 0 or which is either not further taken away by the equal number. मतलब जब मेरे पास 0 बच गया उसमें से आप 4 नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते या समझो मेरे को 2 बचता था तो मैं 2 में से 4 नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकती. So that number will be called as the remainder. I hope children you all have understood this because I am not going to discuss the same word problem. I have done it till your addition, subtraction, multiplication, but now I want you all to do it on your own. Understand those word problems and try to do it on your own. That is what my contention is. Yes, I'm there to help you in the live session. We are going to discuss, but every single question you will be doing and maybe sharing it with me on WhatsApp or on the screen. Okay. So I wish you all the best. Study well. Have a good day. And I'll see you in tomorrow's live session. And I'm really sorry for a little bit disturbance in between. Thank you so much, children. Have a good day.